Hello everyone, welcome to Vijetha IAS Academy. In this video, I would like to explain what are the various stages of UPSC Civil Service Examination. There are three stages. Many students do not know exactly what are the stages and how the examination nature will be. It is a three-stage exam. Almost it takes 1 year to complete all the three stages. First one, preliminary examination. It is objective type. Here you just need to choose the answers like this. A, B, C, D will be there. You have to select and OMR sheet will be given to you. In prelims, two papers will be there, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, general studies looks like this, and paper 2, CSAT, aptitude, mathematics, English, reasoning will be there. Whatever marks you get in general studies paper 1, based on that cutoff will be decided. CSAT is qualifying nature. If you pass this, you are allowed in the mains examination. Mains like a descriptive type, like you are going to write like a 10th standard answers. This is essay paper, looks like this. General studies paper look like this. In mains, there are different set of papers. There are total 9 papers in mains. Essay paper, GS contains 4 papers, 250 marks each. One optional paper will be there, that means paper 1 and paper 2, one optional subject, 250 marks each. Another one, qualifying nature, Indian language and English. Here marks will not be counted for the final ranking. Only you have to pass. If you pass this, then you are allowed to interview. Based on the cutoff that you get out of 1750 in mains, you will be called for personality test. In personality test, for 275 marks, based on the marks, that marks in personality test and mains marks will be counted. Total marks. After capturing all the marks, both in written, in mains and interview, then your final rank will be decided. These are top 10 ranks of 2024. Identify this one. How much score they got? In mains, they got 843, top ranker. In interview, 200 marks. This is out of 275. This is out of 1750. And this is out of 2025. So this is how the number of marks will be decided, and depending on this score, whether you are rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 will be decided. So these are 3 stages of UPSC Civil Services Examination. All right. Thank you.